No matter where you stand on the Rossi Marquez debacle, one thing MotoGP fans can agree on is the remarkably beautiful exhausts on all the bikes. Taylormade Racing definitely sees the beauty in the Honda RC213V exhaust, so much so that it has developed its latest GP2 slip-on for the Honda CBR1000RR Sport Bike to mimic the look of the MotoGP racer. Styled by renowned motorcycle designer John Kia, the GP2 features a short megaphone capped with steel mesh and fed by an underslung, chambered muffler. Both are shrouded by Taylormade's signature design element, a carbon fiber body trim panel that follows the pipe's upswept lines and perfectly integrates with the stock CBR1000RR's belly pan. The GP2's compact, cone-shaped muffler is secured to the bike with the stock mounts. It's constructed from thin-wall 304 stainless steel, while the pipe is mandrel bent, TIG welded and is available with either a natural finish or a black ceramic coating. The GP2 is backed by a 1-year warranty and includes stainless steel brackets, high-grade fasteners and a step-by-step installation guide. Video instructions are also posted online. All told, the GP2 system boosts mid-range and top-end power without fuel system remapping, sounds mean, and weighs 9 pounds less than the standard CBR system.